Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? Welcome back to Tech. So today we are talking about something new. So let's jump into it without wasting your time. I know you have seen this on the market, but this is different, guys. All right? So guys, let's first do unboxing. But before doing unboxing, guys, I want us to first check the boxing of this. So here we come with the authentication center. If you're not sure whether this product comes directly from Oraimo, what you do is just do a scratching. First you do a scratching, then you go on the Oraimo website and you check. That is the www.oraimo.com/check. Then you scan the, or you can scan this one and it takes you direct to the website. Then from website, that's where you can check this one from. We have also barcode if you're interested in downloading the Oraimo app or the Oraimo store app. Then you can go ahead and you can always check the prices of such product, guys. Then this side we have the products charges for 6 hours. Then we have here compact and portable. Then we have resistant material, then ambient light. So let's go and jump into unboxing. All right, so guys, I'm sure you have not seen this before. So this is the product, guys. This is the product that I'm showing you today. What do we have here? What can we call this? I know some of you are surprised. You are like, what is this? So what do we have here? We have this humidifier. See, it's a very small size. You can see you can go with it. Those who like traveling, those who normally go into trips, long trips, you can always go with this. So guys, you can freshen the room using this humidifier. Then it comes with this. Oraimo gives you a small perfume. This is cherry blossom. You can go ahead and you buy other stocks that you like on the market. So but this is the one that normally comes with this one. Other humidifiers, you know, they don't normally come with perfume, but this one, I'm telling you, it can freshen the room 100%. Those who normally go into hotels and you find the scent is not good for the room, you can go ahead and you buy this. So let me tell you about this humidifier. So it comes with this LED. This is the LED light. Also this one is LED light. Then when you open it, so guys, once you open it here, inside here it has a small tank where you put your water. From here is where you put your water. You see, opening it, you just need to rotate and clockwise, then you remove the lid. So before that, we have the charging indicator. When you are charging it, this lid shows the light. Understand? It shows the light. When it is showing a red, that means it is still charging. When it is blinking, meaning the power is raw. You understand, guys? Yeah. So this is the small tank where you power this one. You open this one, then you put a tablet. If you put a smaller tablet, then you are ready to go. Sorry, not a small tablet. Yes, just a small one drop of this. I'm telling you, even the smell for this, guys, it's super dope. Yeah, I've used it. I know how it smells. Then here, down here, we have this is the power button. This is the on and off button. As you can see, once you open it, it gives you direct fog, as you can see in the screen. So what do we have here? As I told you, this is the light it gives. Then here we have a fog outlet. This is where the fog comes from, the fog that freshens your room, everything. So then here we have a charging See, this is the charging port, that is type C. If you're interested, it charges with all your chargers. I'm sure 5 volts is not big. You see, it's 5 watts power rated. So if you're interested in this aroma diffuser, you can call it aroma diffuser, or we can call it humidifier, guys. So that is it. That is the best about this thing. It's portable, as you can see. It's portable, you can go with it. Its body is good. It's good. Sure, it's a good plastic that doesn't damage quickly even if it falls down. Then as I told you, it has this glowing light here. When you're using it, when you switch it on, as you can see, it looks super cool. You see, it looks super cool. Yeah, so how to use it? You just open it, you power water here. So the maximum, we have maximum here. As you can see, it's written here, maximum, it's written here. See, that is the maximum. That is the maximum. It's just power water, reaches here. Then get a droplet of this. Don't put too much, it will be enough for you. Just 1 droplet is enough. Just put 1 droplet, then that is enough for you guys. Then you cross. After you switch on like this, right, you press in your room. I'm telling you, within few you will feel the scent, guys. So that is it, guys. If you're interested in having such, go ahead for it. This is the humidifier. I will do another review about this, another type of humidifier, the one that you can put in your room and you leave it there permanently, not like this one. This is for those who like traveling. Thank you, guys. Catch you in the next one.